Learn English through stories.
The day everything went sideways. As soon as he left home, his car broke down in the middle of the road. He didn't want to throw in the towel, so he called a taxi. While waiting, he tried to keep his chin up and stay positive. The taxi finally arrived, but the driver was taking forever. Jake was on pins and needles because he knew he was running late. To make matters worse, they got stuck in traffic. The situation was becoming a pain in the neck. When he finally reached the office, he rushed inside and accidentally spilled coffee on his shirt. "Well, that's just the last straw," he muttered. The interviewer, however, was very friendly and told Jake to relax. They began talking, and soon Jake felt he could break the ice. He started answering questions confidently and decided to speak his mind. One question caught him by surprise, but he managed to think outside the box and give a creative answer. The interviewer smiled and said, "You really hit the nail on the head with that response." After the interview, Jake felt much better. He decided not to cry over spilled milk and focused on the positive things. As he walked through the city, he bumped into an old friend he hadn't seen in years. His friend suggested lunch, and Jake agreed. Over lunch, they talked for hours and caught up on life. His friend offered him some valuable advice and told him not to judge a book by its cover because opportunities sometimes appear in unexpected places. Later that afternoon, Jake received a phone call. To his surprise, the company wanted to hire him. He was completely over the moon. The manager explained that although Jake had arrived late, his performance during the interview was excellent. They were willing to give him the benefit of the doubt regarding the delay. Jake couldn't believe his luck. What had started as a terrible day had turned into a great success. He realized that every cloud has a silver lining and that sometimes you just have to bite the bullet, go the extra mile, and learn the ropes when facing challenges. That evening, he celebrated with his family. Everyone agreed that Jake had really turned the tables on a difficult situation. As they laughed together, Jake knew that all his hard work had finally paid off. Idioms used: go south, keep your chin up, on pins and needles, a pain in the neck, the last straw, break the ice, speak your mind, think outside the box, hit the nail on the head, cry over spilled milk, catch up, judge a book by its cover, over the moon, give someone the benefit of the doubt, bite the bullet, go the extra mile, learn the ropes, turn the tables, pay off.